Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to add a temporary status on Discord using your Android device. This feature is perfect for letting your friends know what you're up to, whether you're busy, away, or just want to share a little fun. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do that. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you're in your user settings. Look for the option that says Add Status. Tap on it, and you'll see a text box where you can type in your custom status. This is your chance to be creative, so feel free to express yourself. After entering your status, you'll need to set how long you want this status to appear. Under the Status Duration option, select the period that suits you best, whether it's for a few hours, a day, or longer. Once you're all set, don't forget to save your changes. Look at the top right corner of your screen and tap Save. And that's it. Your temporary status is now live, and your friends can see what you're up to. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.